Hi guys, Atanas here. Just wanted to give you a quick update on March, and this is our first double-digit trade of the month, which was closed on the 7th of March, and it gave us, as you can see here, 1 to 17 risk-reward ratio. Um, just a little bit of info regarding this trade. I will go back in time and share with you where it was open and closed. So this is the beginning of the trade here, 8:13 UK time. This was the 7th of March 2024. This is how the trade looked like initially. We had around 12 points stop loss. Then moving forwards, the trade actually exhibited quite good growth from the bat. Then you can see we had a couple of times that the price went down and retested this zone which we've initially marked with the community, and then the price faltered a little bit here, then it went down again, then the news hit the wires around this time and the price went higher, and reached the zone which we were initially looking at to take profits, and this is where I booked profits for what is it, about almost 200 points, and this gave us 1 to almost 18, 1 to 17.4 risk to reward ratio on this trade. And this was actually the beginning of the month. Last week I was traveling, so I didn't take that many trades, and I was busy with my with the group sessions I've been having with my students. But we still managed to have a few other trades. If I go back to today, we had a trade which that's something else that I actually wanted to walk you through as well. Sometimes profitable trades are exhibiting profitable signs straight from the beginning, but then apparently things can go against you, like it happened today. I was already running a risk-free trade, and let me just share with you where I took this trade. It was basically this morning. It was a long DAX, and this is how it looked, how the trade looked when I was taking it, and stop loss on this trade was 13 points, which was in line with my stop loss on a DAX, and then the price went up, then down, and up again. It managed to hit my limit order. So at this point, I was running a risk-free trade, and it wasn't a particularly profitable trade, since here I was only at 1 to 4 risk-reward ratio. But this also gives you another point of view from the day trading room. And then what happened was the price basically reversed and hit my stop loss to finish with a break even trade. So again, there is something that traders don't really talk about, and this is the unpredictability of a market direction. So in the first trade, you saw everything went according to plan. I followed all of my steps, and I ended up with a 1 to almost 18 risk to reward ratio trade. On the second trade, I again did the same thing. I followed all of the steps. I managed to enter in a risk-free trade, which is the goal of my trading strategy, or one of the goals. And then after I hit the limit order, which basically enabled me to be in a risk-free mode. From this moment onwards, the price went up and down. It retested this level a few times. Then it went up to almost 1 to 4, or actually 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. And then from here, so this was 4R. From here, the price actually went lower and lower and lower, and then it basically stopped me out at this level. So again, I was following the rules of the strategy. I didn't do anything wrong in terms of taking this trade or holding this trade. But again, the difference between this and the other trade from the beginning of March was humongous. So this trade made me literally zero USD. It was a break-even trade. The other trade from the 7th of March exhibited exactly the same or very similar characteristics. It went up and down a few times, retested this level, but then it actually went up and up and up and up and up until it actually reached a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 17 roughly, risk to reward. And again, that's another proof that you can't really predict where the markets will go. Of course, there was some fundamental news that pushed the price higher, but even before the news, I was already running a double-digit returning trade. It just managed to give me a little bit extra profits. So again, sometimes there is no way. Actually, almost in every occasion taking a trade, there is no way if this trade will turn out to be a double-digit trade, a single-digit trade, a losing or a break-even trade. But the most important thing with all of those trades is to always do the same thing again and again, and this would actually give you over the long-term profitability and consistency, guys. So this was my 2 cents for today. Thank you so much, and see you in the next double-digit video, guys. Bye bye.